Chapter 5. Let's start with Excel 2021. Hello, Priyam. What's up? My teacher has asked me to create our weekly expenses report. I am trying to make it. Why are you making your report in Word? Try it in Excel. Excel. But I don't know anything about Excel. It is a spreadsheet software used to perform calculations. It is very easy and interesting. Come with me. I will teach you about Excel 2021. Okay. What is Microsoft Excel? Excel is a popular spreadsheet application of Microsoft Office suite. It allows you to organize and manipulate data. It is widely used to perform mathematical calculations. In Excel, data is spread in a tabular form, consisting of rows and columns. You can use different inbuilt features and tools on these rows and columns to handle the data easily and quickly. Features of Excel. Following is a list of some of the wonderful features of Excel. You can apply various formatting features in Excel to enhance the appearance of data in a worksheet. In Excel, you can use formulas to perform simple and complex calculations. You can also use many predefined formulas called functions that are used for performing various operations on data. You can search and filter data quickly in Excel. You can use the autofill feature of Excel to quickly fill data in a large series of cells. In Excel, you can analyze data through charts. It helps you understand data in a better way. Let us now learn more about Excel and how to work in it. Starting Excel. To start working with Excel, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Excel. 2. Type Excel in the search bar. 3. Click on Excel. 4. Choose blank workbook. After selecting the blank workbook thumbnail from the screen, a new blank workbook will open as shown in figure. Workbook and worksheet. The Excel window that appears on the screen is called a workbook. It is assigned a temporary name as Book 1. A workbook is like a notebook, which consists of a number of pages called worksheets. A worksheet is a grid-like area made up of rows and columns where you can enter and work with data. By default, in Excel, the workbook holds a single worksheet named as Sheet 1. You can add any number of worksheets in a workbook according to the limits of memory available on a computer. A worksheet consists of 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Columns are represented by letters on the top and rows by numbers on the left side of the worksheet. Components of a worksheet. Let us learn about the various components of a worksheet. Cell. A cell is an intersection of a column and row in a worksheet. Each cell is denoted with a cell address, which consists of the column letter and row number. For example, a 5 refers to the cell at the intersection of column A and row 5. A cell is used to enter data, such as text, numbers, formulas, functions, etc. A cell can have up to 32,767 characters. Active cell. When you click on a cell, a thick black border appears around it, which differentiates it from the rest of the cells. This highlighted box is called a cell pointer. It indicates that the current cell is active. Data can be entered only in an active cell. Range. A range is a group of contiguous cells which form the shape of a rectangle. It can be as small as a single cell or as big as an entire worksheet. You can specify a range by writing the starting cell address followed by the ending cell address, both separated by a colon. For example, C1, C10 indicates a range starting from the C1 cell address and ending in the C10 cell address. Column headings. Letters across the top border of each worksheet are called column headings. These headings identify columns with letters A to Z, A, AZ, BA, BZ, Chi Alpha Alpha, XFD. Every worksheet in Excel contains 16,384 columns. Row headings. Row headings are the numbers marked from 1 to 1,048,576 along the left border of the worksheet to represent each row of it. Name box. The name box is located just above the column headings on the left side of the window. This area displays the location of the cell pointer. Formula bar. The formula bar is located to the right of the name box. This bar shows the characters and formulas that you enter in an active cell. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the Excel window. It gives information about the current selection. Moving around a worksheet. To input data in a worksheet, you have to move the cell pointer from one cell to another with the help of various keys defined in the following table. Entering data. Let us perform the following activity to enter data in a worksheet. 1. Open a new workbook by selecting the blank workbook thumbnail from the starting screen. 2. Click on cell E1 and type Weekly Expenses. Now, select the cell range C1, F1. Click on the Merge and Center button in the Alignment group on the Home tab. The selected cells will be merged and the text will be centered. 3. Click on cell A2 and type Items. Press the right arrow key. Type Monday in B2 and Tuesday in C2. Likewise, enter data in the rest of the cells as shown. 4. Click on cell A3. Type Eatables and press the Enter key. The cell pointer shifts to cell A4. 5. Type Cold Drink and press the down arrow key to move to cell A5 and type Milk. Similarly, enter the remaining data. Types of data. In Excel, different types of data can be entered in a cell, such as 1. Numbers, 2. Text, 3. Formulas. Numbers. Numbers are values that consist of numerals from 0 to 9. They can be used in calculations. By default, numbers are right-aligned in a cell. Text. Text data consists of a series of characters. These characters can include letters, numbers, special characters, spaces, etc. It is not used in calculations. By default, the text data is left-aligned in a cell. Most often, text entries are used for worksheet headings, names, and identifying columns of data. Formulas. A formula is a mathematical equation involving numbers, symbols, and cell addresses used for performing calculations on a worksheet. It can range from basic mathematical operations to complex calculations. In Excel, formulas begin with an equal to. Performing calculations. Excel allows you to perform calculations on the numeric data. You can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of numbers in the cells. There are two methods to perform calculations in a cell. Using formulas. Using built-in functions. Using formulas. Let us perform an activity to calculate the sum of values using a formula. 1. Open Excel and then open a blank workbook. 2. Enter the data in the worksheet as shown. 3. Now, to calculate the total expense in cell H3, type is equal to B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus E3 plus F3 plus G3 and press the Enter key. 4. Note that you can use either uppercase or lowercase letters while entering the cell address in a formula. Using built-in functions. Excel provides several built-in mathematical functions such as sum, average, count, etc. to perform calculations. Instead of typing long formulas such as is equal to B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus E3 plus F3 plus G3 in the previous lab activity, the sum function can be used to calculate the total expense. Let us learn how to use the sum function. 1. In the same sheet, instead of writing the formula in cell H3, type is equal to sum B3 G3 and press the enter key. 2. You will get the same result as you did while using the formula. 3. Note that the value given in the sum function B3 G3 is called range. It starts from cell B3 and goes up to cell G3. Working with worksheets. Let us learn about different actions that can be performed on a worksheet. Adding a new worksheet. To add a new worksheet, follow the given steps. 1. Select the sheet before which you want to place a new worksheet. 2. Right-click on the Sheet tab and select the Insert option. The Insert dialog box appears with the Worksheet option selected by default. Click on OK. You will notice that a new worksheet gets inserted before the selected worksheet. Or, click on the New Sheet plus icon present next to the Sheet tab. A new worksheet will be added. Or, select the Insert Sheet option in the Cells group on the Home tab. Renaming a worksheet. To rename a worksheet, follow the given steps. 1. Double-click on the Sheet tab that you want to rename or right-click on it and select the Rename option. The Sheet tab will be highlighted. To type a new name and press the Enter key. Switching between worksheets. When you add a number of worksheets, only one of them is seen at a time on the screen. To switch between worksheets, use the Ctrl plus page up or Ctrl plus page down key combination. Removing a worksheet. Follow the given steps to remove a worksheet. 1. Place the mouse pointer on the Sheet tab that you want to delete. 2. Right-click on the Sheet tab and select the Delete option. Or, select the Delete Sheet option in the Cells group on the Home tab. Saving a workbook. To save a workbook, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File tab and select the Save option. The Save As pane will appear. 2. Click on the Browse option. The Save As dialog box appears. Browse the drive and folder where you want to save the workbook. 3. Type the file name in the File Name text box. 4. Click on the Save button. The file will be saved with the extension .xlsx. Closing a workbook. To close a workbook in Excel, follow these steps. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on the Close option. The workbook will be closed, but the Excel application window will remain open. Excel 2021 will ask to save the changes if there are changes in the workbook that have not been saved. You should close the workbook only after saving it. Opening an existing workbook. To open an existing workbook, follow these steps. 1. Click on the File tab. The Backstage view will appear. 2. Select the Open option. 3. Select the Browse option. 4. Select the workbook. 5. Click on Open button.